Welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels. If you're passionate about high-performance machines, cutting-edge tech, and the thrill of the open road, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and buckle up because today, we're diving into the 2025 Lamborghini Urus, an SUV that redefines power, luxury, and speed. Lamborghini shook up the automotive world when it introduced the Urus, proving that an SUV could still carry the DNA of a raging bull. Now, for 2025, Lamborghini has taken things up a notch with a refreshed Urus that pushes the limits of what an SUV can do. Let's start with what's under the hood. The 2025 Urus retains its twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, but Lamborghini has fine-tuned it to deliver even more power. We're talking about a staggering 675 horsepower, giving it an insane 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.2 seconds. That's supercar territory in a vehicle that can comfortably seat 5. Lamborghini also continues to offer the Urus Performante for those who crave an even more track-focused experience. But power isn't the only thing Lamborghini has upgraded. The 2025 Urus features a sharper, more aggressive design, with new aerodynamic enhancements, redesigned LED lighting, and a more pronounced front grille. It still has that signature Lamborghini presence, low, wide, and menacing. Plus, new lightweight materials help improve handling without sacrificing durability. Inside, the Urus gets a tech upgrade with an improved infotainment system featuring a larger touchscreen, a fully digital driver display, and an even more customizable interface. Lamborghini's premium Alcantara and carbon fiber interior remain, but now with even more personalization options. Whether you're in the mood for luxury or a full-on race mode experience, the Urus adapts to your style. Lamborghini is also taking a step into the future with the introduction of a plug-in hybrid variant. While details are still under wraps, expect an electrified powertrain that boosts performance while improving efficiency, a perfect blend of power and sustainability. With supercar speed, SUV practicality, and Lamborghini's unmistakable style, the 2025 Urus proves why it's still the king of performance SUVs. Whether you're taking it to the track or just making a statement on the road, this beast delivers on every level. What are your thoughts on the new Lamborghini Urus? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest automotive content. Thanks for watching Motor Minds, and we'll see you in the next video.